Well, when it comes to Christmas time, Seattle is all decked up for holiday spirits. From Christmas parade to Christmas market or Wild Lantern festivals, you're welcome to join an unforgettable festive getaway. Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Well, it's festive video and we're gonna start by exploring Seattle Christmas Market and many more fun places to visit in Seattle. So please do join us. Starting with Seattle Christmas Market, where we were invited by the very first German style Christmas market in the town. We'll start with a festive swirl of the heartwarming sights, sound, and smell of Christmas. Seattle Christmas Market is a European-inspired outdoor Christmas village and a community marketplace held between the Fisher Pavilion and South Fountain Lawn at Seattle Center. Over 60 vendors sell festive foods and one-of-a-kind gifts out of a little outdoor huts. The booths are interesting, festively decor at every turn and variety of stall options with a woody and traditional ambience prevail and soaking up the festive atmosphere. Loved that the area wasn't so huge and that I could wander and check things out easily, and unforgettable holiday vibes with a free carousel ride. I had fun experience. It was well organized and the options for food and shopping were varied, enough to keep it interesting for most of the part. Well, we visited in the afternoon and as you can see, people are thoroughly enjoying the market. Well, this inside is a sitting area where you can sit, listen to the music and eat your food. And then getting a stroll to the brilliant light installation in the Westlake. To exploring the Evergreen church. Building comes alive with Christmas lights and music. And then on our way we visited the neighborhood of Olympic Manor Christmas lights. The houses are beautifully lit up, creating a festive and inviting Christmas home decor, incorporating traditional elements, festive colors, and personal touches. Coming to Bellevue downtown, an absolute Christmassy place, beautiful Christmas decor, lightings, and dazzling music to cheer up your mood for holiday season. We are here at Snowflake Lane, following the wonder of falling snow, dazzling lights, festive music, toy drummers and dancers in this complimentary parade of holiday floats. Well, it rain or shine, the parade starts every day at 7 p.m. and the people that are participating have such high energy and made it so much more exciting. It's incredibly enjoyable. Our last Christmas lights exploring the zoo like never before with a lantern festival. Truly an immersive experience featuring large-scale animals and natural scape lantern unlike any in the Northwest. It is a 2 mile to walk through the entire path in a figure-8 shape. A breathtaking journey through a world of theme lantern at the land of winter wonders. You can bring outside food and there are leisurely sitting benches and kids activities area is the star. Being outdoor excursion, it's better to layer yourself in a good. Journey onto the fine feathered friend zone where birds are the theme. Giant illuminated species include parrots and toucans. The concept is unique and breathtaking. It's like walking through a forest with glowing 3D stained glass. It's an absolute must-see for people of all ages. Yes, the reservations are recommended. Witnessing giant spiders and a corridor of vibrant flowers. You will observe numerous lanterns throughout the trail. Illusions and game galore are sure to cause excitement. An amazing theme path walk created of varieties of creatures. Not only you will see the wild lanterns on the sidewalk but upon the trees as well. To watching the dragon that spew blue flames. With that, here we end the video. I'll see you next time. Till then, goodbye.